Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video, get this pipe under that slab of concrete. This is about a 4.5 foot sidewalk and we got to put the pipe under here. So I'm going to show you the simple method of hydro excavation using common hose and a piece of PVC pipe. So let's get started. The first thing I need to do is dig a hole on this side of the sidewalk and that side of the sidewalk, so the grass side and the mulch side. So let me go grab my wheelbarrow, get the shovel in, and spare you the details. Okay, I got a hole dug on this side, approximately 3 feet deep. That's about all I'm coming out on that side. Got another hole dug here, approximately 2 feet deep. And the trick of this is to come out a little bit longer. So this little trench is probably 2 feet deep at its end, closest to the concrete, and it goes about 3 feet long. Now, name of the game is to use some Schedule 40 PVC pipe and use that as a ramrod to get under the slab, or in this case, sidewalk. So what you want to do is start off with a nice long piece of pipe. You can't do this with a short piece. So you bring it back and you're basically going to use the end of the pipe, and you want to get this as lateral as possible, or as horizontal, I should say, as possible. The less angle you have going in on this side, the less deep it's going to be on that side. So the reason why this trench is so long is it allows me to gain much more pivot, or actually much less pivot, that I need to go through here. So I'll demonstrate if I'm not explaining it correctly. So now what I'm going to do is take a hose, normal common garden hose, and I'm going to duct tape it to the end of this side. So let me do that now. So you're going to take this end and this end and join these together. I don't care how you do it. If you got a fitting that you can install in the pipe, you can use that. Most of you guys probably don't have a bunch of fittings laying around, so I'm going to do it the redneck way with some of this duct tape. Okay, so a taped up end just like this is plenty enough to make the connection, and you're not looking to get this completely sealed because remember, it's not going to pressurize. It's just acting as a flow. So you're just basically directing flow from the hose to something rigid like this pipe to jab through, and at the end it's just open. So now we're going to use the magic of hydro excavation to get this long piece of pipe under this slab here. All right, so I just turned on the water. You can see water's flying out of that pipe. No leaks over here. I don't expect there to be because it's not pressurized. So now let's get this as close to the slab as possible with it running. So you can see the edge of the slab there, and I'm just going to start pushing, and you're going to just basically push and pull back, push and pull back, and you may hit a root. It's okay, just keep doing this. It's going to force all that dirt out. Kind of let it run a little bit. And there we go. I just felt it break through. So let's look on the other side. Now we got a pipe. So let me shut the water off. Okay, so the water's turned off. We have successfully trenched under the sidewalk. And if you've made it this far, please thumbs up the video if it helps you figure this out. And please consider subscribing because I'm trying to get to 100,000 subscribers. And that's it, guys. So now I'm gonna put this pipe underneath this slab. So the pipe I want under the slab ultimately is this black pipe. And right now we just have our hydro excavator under here. So instead of pulling the hydro excavator out, same method, take your duct tape, tape that end to that end on the hydro excavator, just pull it through. So watch this. Okay, there it is taped on there. Should be good enough. Let me try to persuade this thing through here. Gonna want to peel because it's wet and it already ripped. Let's see. Okay. There it is. that's how you pull the pipe. So guys, remember, please subscribe, like, comment, all that good stuff. And I'll get you in the next video. Hope this helps you out. Later.